Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this credit card for bad credit score. Yes, it doesn't matter that you have a good, bad or worse credit score, you're still going to get approved for it, and it's a very easy approval. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button, it really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right in front of you, here's a great opportunity, and this time is from Mission Lane. Let me zoom in a bit so you can actually see it properly. So as you can see, they say earn access to higher credit lines over time with the Mission Lane Visa credit card. The great thing about them as well, that if you pay your credit card bill on time for 6 months, they will double your credit limit. Yes, you don't have to miss any payment at all, because if you miss it, they will not increase your credit limit. The great thing about them as well, that it's guaranteed, and they give you this offer that if you pay your credit card bill on time for 6 months, they will double your credit card limit. And this is literally a great opportunity. When it comes to the Mission Lane, they're actually really famous when it comes to helping people with bad or poor credit, because they do report to the all major credit bureaus, as well as they give you the credit card even if you have a poor credit. So this is literally a great opportunity. As you can see right here, the variable APR is 29.99, that is 30%. This is high, but if you actually pay your credit card bill on time and pay it in full, then you will never ever have to face anything or any term known as APR, because you will never pay it. As you can see that they have an annual fee of $59. This is a big bargain, because you know there's a credit card also known as Credit One. Yes, there are two separate entities. Capital One is different and Credit One is different. When it comes to Credit One, they are pretty much the worst in my point of view, because the reason is that they charge a very high APR, as well as their annual fee is insane as well. But right here, if you think about that, you have a bad credit and you are only paying $59 in annual fee, literally in my point of view, this is a great opportunity, because you can actually build your credit. They do report to all major 3 credit bureaus, as well as they will report your payments as well. So once you see that your credit score is going up, you can actually apply for other higher tier credit cards, which will greatly help your credit score and your financials as well. As you can see that they say that get an instant decision. Find out right now if you are approved for the Mission Lane Visa card. No more waiting for days or weeks. Yes, as soon as you fill out the application, they will give you the decision right away, so you won't have to wait for 1 or 2 or a weekdays. So right here, it's pretty simple and straightforward. And as you can see, they say that higher credit lines over time. Get a higher credit line if you are in good standing after making your first 6 payments on time. As I mentioned already, that if you actually do your payments or make your payments on time for initial 6 months, then of course they will double your credit limit. So this is literally a great opportunity. Transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Yes, they claim that there is no hidden fees. Security deposit, monthly maintenance fee, over the limit fees, nope. So the great thing about it as well, that it's an unsecured credit card, because you know, like in secured credit card, if you go to any financial institutions, for example you go to Wells Fargo Bank, and then you ask them that I have a poor credit, so I want to build my credit and in the secure credit card. So how you're going to get secure credit card, that you will give them your own money, such as $500, $300 or $1,000, and on the basis of that money, they will give you the secure card with technically your own money in it. And when you use it, you have to actually pay it back. So the great thing about this card as well, this is unsecured. You don't have to give any sort of security deposit or collateral. You are good to go, and there is no hidden fee. So as I already told you that you can actually build your credit with this, and this is a credit builder card as well. They report to Equifax, TransUnion and Experian, all 3 major credit bureaus. So don't worry about it. This is literally a great opportunity for you. So if you're also struggling with your budgets and you want to learn about credit, so they actually give free online credit education as well. Your financing shouldn't be a mystery. Our short videos cover saving, credit, and more. Yes, they do have short videos when you actually install their app. So what you can do right there, you can actually watch those videos and learn about credit, how you can improve your credit even further, how you can get more credit limits, and vice versa. So this is literally a great opportunity for a number of people who are actually struggling with this credit education as well, and who are struggling with bad credit, because they will give you this credit card pretty easily. As I told you that they are a Visa card, but the great thing about it as well that usually it happens with MasterCard, but with this one, auto rentals insurance, for example, if you want to rent a car from Hertz or any of other rental company. Hertz is closed right now, I'm not sure, but let me know in the comment below if it's open or closed. But if you want to rent a car with anyone, of course your rental insurance is covered, so don't worry about it. If you've been in a collision, God forbid, or of course if someone steal your car, or you've been involved in and your car's been involved in a theft or something, someone just like stole the wheels or anything in your car, so of course your car or your rental car is covered, so don't worry about it. Available globally, of course it's a Visa, so you can actually use it anywhere in the world. There is zero liability fraud coverage. It means Visa zero liability policy is guaranteed that you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges made to your account information. I always tell you that please make sure with your bank or any financial institution that you acquire the credit card from, because like this zero liability fraud coverage is really important. Some of the institutions are not doing it, and this is kind of sketchy because they can actually do it on their own and then you will be held responsible, so keep that in mind. I already told you about the APR and other charges, so I'm not gonna stretch the video a lot. Of course the minimum interest charge, if you've been charged, so it's going to be 0.50 cents. The annual fee is $59. That's not a lot, as I already told you, and the minimum credit limit is $300. So it totally depends on your credit. If your credit is worse, then you are going to get $300, and after 6 months it's going to get increased to $600 or even greater. Cash advances, the greater of 10% or 3% of each cash advance. Yes, you can do that. You can actually withdraw money from this card as well, and this is literally a great opportunity if you would like some emergency cash, but I don't recommend it because it comes with huge APR and fee, and of course late payment penalty is $35, so keep that in mind. And this is all it, because this is literally a credit card for poor credit. So if you have any questions, you would like to ask any questions, and please let me know in the comment below. I will be happy to answer every question. Let's see how the application looks like. So it's 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as I click on it, this application will open. Let me zoom in a bit so you can actually see it properly. They require you put to your first name, your middle initial if you have any, your last name, your date of birth, your social security number, your street address, city, state, zip code, and of course your rental information. Do you have a checking account or savings or both, or you don't have any? If you don't have any checking account, of course they're not going to give you the credit card, so keep that in mind. Would you be interested in blank checks to use for cash out? And this is something internal information if you want, and of course then you can actually review the application and apply for it. There's a hard pull in it, so keep that in mind. There's a hard pull, so when you apply for it, they are going to do a hard pull. Even if you have a bad credit, they are going to approve you because it's a credit card for bad credit. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.